Hey, this is Rashad Cartwright. And listen, I'm here in Norfolk, Virginia at Global Engineers Academy. Listen, this is an awesome preschool that specializes in the STEM research, science, technology, engineering, and math. It just opened. They're taking Norfolk by surprise and by storm. Come with me. Let's go check them out.
I'm the owner of Global Engineers Academy. I serve as the director. My responsibilities range from the overall management of the school, lesson planning, interacting with parents, ensuring that the staff are carrying out specific activities with the children, and obtaining the data from our students in the school. What inspired me to open up Global Engineers Academy is that I had a program for 5 years that I ran on the weekends. Children from the ages of 2 as old as 15 participated in this program, and during this program we had the same concepts that we're offering here at our preschool. The students did so well and the parents were so happy and pleased with the overall results that the children were getting that I decided to open the school up.
Hi, my name is Sherry, and my daughter Kelsey attends Global Engineers Academy. And what I love most about the Academy is the great learning experiences that the children are afforded on a daily basis. Whether it's about the function of the heart, the blood, or the lungs, the children are consistently learning. I love the staff. They're very nurturing and loving to the children, and I could have not picked a better place for my child to attend. Thank you for all that you guys do.
STEM is an acronym for science, technology, engineering, and math. What we do here, we bump it up a little more with STEAM. STEAM is an acronym for science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Because some of our children do have those artistic abilities where they like to draw things. We bring all of those concepts out in the children that are enrolled here at our center. It's very important for students to be introduced to STEM concepts at an early age because you have to start to train their identities. And also within STEM, we have a drought, is what I call it, and it's not even looking towards a cultural drought. There's just children that are not exposed to it at an age early enough that will create those dreams of obtaining careers in those fields. So if you introduce them early, then they're more likely to pursue careers in those particular aspects as far as chemistry, biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, the medical field. Well, the difference between our school and other preschools, number one, is that we teach our children to be competitive. Number two, they're exposed to CTE experiences, that's career and technical education. We focus on not only career and technical education aspects, but actual science experiences, math, technology, and chemistry. They're not getting that anywhere else. For the past 2 weeks, we've been working on human anatomy. So when we're working on anatomy, what we do is we put diagrams out on the floor, on tables, and we have the little ones actually identify parts of the body. Recently we were identifying the organs. So again, allowing them to see it on the diagram, but as well discussing that these are things that are inside of you. So from the organs, we're now exposing them to how the blood actually flows through the human body. And the importance of our brains, why we need blood flow in our brains, why we need it in our lungs, and why do we need our heart to pump it. It's very important that our children can see themselves in us, and it's important that they get that exposure, because when we look at what types of dreams we're instilling in our children, they have to be able to see themselves. And a huge problem, especially in our African American males, is they fail to see themselves. Likewise, when you look at some of the younger black females, if they're in a lower socioeconomic status, they are not able to visualize where they can go. All they're seeing is where they are now. What we do, we place our children on individual data plans, meaning whatever weaknesses we find, we're working on those weaknesses with those students. And then we have our overall data that we collect from the children as a whole, as far as how they are able to mingle socially in groups, if they're able to do experiments in groups and things of that nature, which also shapes and molds them for later on when they're in school, and they will have that social component, and they'll be able to conduct, hopefully, research and things of that nature. Hello, this is Tamara Carmen Rogers, owner of Global Engineers Academy. You're watching me on 757blackbiz.com. If you're a black business owner, you need to contact 757 Black Biz and get listed today.